Friends, welcome to week 2 of Coffee, Cake, and Crafting Stack It Collab, hosted by Brittanee BBz Kraftz and Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss in McGill. Now, for our project for this week, we are supposed to create stacked books. And so that is what I did. So let me share with you what I made. I think it turned out really super cute. Let me just turn it to its side real quick so you can see kind of like the all-around project first. Okay, so let me get you the measurements of these little stacked books. So the first one is about 6 1/4 inches by 3 3/4, and the second one is about 5 1/4 by 3 1/2, and the last one is 4 1/2 by 3 inches. And I had a lot of fun making these. Now, the video that they shared for us to get some ideas, the lady had used chipboard. I decided just to use all paper, and so I created these little boxes. And inside this bottom one, I decided to add some, because I had made some little extra bows. And I thought these turned out really super cute. And then I added a little wooden key by Saw Crafters. And I had several flowers that I got from CraftyCity.com. And also these little sunflowers were from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you all have seen these. This is just a little wood chippy for my stash, and these live, and these little fork and spoon, that was from also Saw Crafters. And this little chipboard, I'm not even sure where that came from, but I thought it was really super cute. It's actually a frame, but I thought it'd be kind of like, I was trying to create like a doily, if that makes any sense. And then I just added a flower to the top. The paper that I used was Photoplay's Mad for Plaid Fall. And also I use stickers from the collection as well. We have Happy Thanksgiving Day, Thankful and Grateful, and Fall Blessings, and I thought this would be really super cute to have on my desk. And then once Thanksgiving comes, kind of like use it as a little decoration in my kitchen. So as we near the corner for Thanksgiving. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to visit the other channels. I will have all the links down below, as well as the rules. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye, guys. See you all next week.